We have created an English word, mobilization. Mobilization means mobilizing Biafrans into politics. That is mobilization. So one, to mobilize all Biafran activists who believe in politics into active politics, and take over all powers in Biafra land. Tell me, if all Biafran activists will vote for a Biafran activist in any state, tell me who will win. We will vote any person who wants to win. We will vote him into power, and we will protect the votes. Because Biafran activists are millions. We are millions. We can vote. We can take over all states with our political power, with our votes. But it is unfortunate that while we are preaching this, some misguided Biafran activists will be telling you not to participate in politics. In fact, that was